Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Between Work and Life. This is Shalini, and in today's video I'm going to show how I try to plan my meals on weekends for the next week. It's not a one-day process. I keep on adding vegetables and grocery items that I need in either my Big Basket app or Grofers ad, or I use an application which I think is available in everyone's mobile. It's called Notes. So I have a dedicated note in my application where I add things that I need for, especially for meal planning. So whenever I'm ordering on the weekend or a day before weekend, I have a list of what all things I need to buy. Apart from my list, I also take a look at my stock so that I can avoid buying unnecessary items. This not just helps me avoid wastage but also helps in saving money, and moreover, it helps avoiding chaos of not having small items while cooking during the weekdays. I also take a look at leftover fruits and vegetables so that I don't miss anything from my list and I don't reorder things that I already have. This helps me to always have stock of fruits and salad items in my fridge. A well thought of meal plan helps me to avoid ordering from outside and therefore avoid eating unhealthy. I am trying to eat healthy and have a healthy lifestyle, and this meal planning helps me to achieve my goal to a great extent. So because of increasing COVID numbers these days, I am trying to avoid going outside. I have ordered things that I need for next week from Big Basket, and I am expecting delivery in some time. So my Big Basket has arrived, and I find this to be the easiest way of ordering fruits, vegetables and groceries these days. And here comes the Herculean task of washing all fruits and vegetables. I wash fruits and vegetables in 3 steps. First, I remove all plastics and paper wrapping material from all fruits and vegetables. I take whatever big containers I have and I add some vegetable liquid wash in these containers. Based on shape of fruits and vegetable, I put all water washed vegetables and fruits in this container. After waiting for a minute or so, I again wash it with plain water. This is the biggest task of my weekday and it's a very important step as well. I try to add salads as 1/4 of the portion of any meal. This helps me to avoid carbs while adding more green vegetables to my meal. To keep carrot fresh, I put carrots in this long transparent box and I add water to it. I change the water every 3 to 4 days, which keeps the carrot fresh for a week. Now I'll put this in my fridge. Once washing is done thoroughly, I pat dry vegetables with a clean cloth and put them under fan for an hour or so in different baskets. I love to have Yakult in the morning, so I keep a stock for a week. I order either multigrain or wheat bread as breakfast option. Cutting salad in bulk will help you to have salad for lunch, as well as you can use it for making sandwiches as well. Preparing all kind of chutneys on weekends, especially the green ones, always helps to add taste in any food. Feel free and add as many layers of vegetables as you like. You don't need a fancy grill to prepare sandwiches. You can use this simple one which is easily available on Amazon. I'll add the link in the description below. This toaster not only grills the bread but also cooks the vegetable inside it. Feel free to add ghee in your sandwiches. Ghee is a rich source of vitamin, antioxidant and healthy fats. Such fat consumed in moderation helps to absorb essential vitamins and minerals. While I'm toasting the sandwich, I'll cut the rest of the salad. This is a good way to multitask and save time as much as possible. And the healthy crunchy sandwich is ready to eat. A one-pot meal is something I swear by. Adding broken wheat or dalia helps to add enough roughage to the meal. I also feel free to add all colorful veggies to the meal. They not just add color and taste to the food, but also add all form of nutrients. In order to consume less oil, I try to pressure cook all my food as much as possible. Adding a bowl of curd or raita completes this pot meal. I left the green vegetable for a couple of hours as washing them beforehand is not a good solution. Now I'll separate all of them one by one and store them in glass containers. Adding a layer of tissue paper or a piece of cloth below and above these leafy vegetables helps to absorb moisture to keep them fresh for longer. One trick that I use is not to stuff these containers. This helps to keep them fresh even for longer. Also, I feel keeping these vegetables in glass container is a better option than keeping them in plastic or a zip pouch. I ordered these glass container from Amazon and I found this really useful in storing all my vegetables and fruits. I'll add the link in the description below so that if you want to buy, you can buy from there. While buying such container, ensure that you buy all these containers of the same size so that it is easier to store them in fridge. I'll repeat the same for other vegetables as well. This way I ensure that I eat leafy vegetables every week. And I don't have to bother to spend some time on my weekdays to separate these leafy vegetables. On weekends, I try to ensure that I grind roasted coriander and cumin powder. I also refill all my spices in this spice box so that everything is easy to find at one place. So this is how I plan my meal for the entire week on weekends. Hope you like this video. Please let me know in the comment section if any of these tips you follow or you are going to follow something from my video. Your comments really motivate me. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.